Okay, here I have a larger quilt top already set out. I know the quilt top is going to be smaller than my tables. My tables can handle 60 by 72. My quilt top is about 54 by 64. So I went ahead and centered my backing on my tables, and now I'm just going to be able to use clamps on all four sides this time. Okay, so first I'm going to clamp one side, and then I'm going to go directly to the crossways and clamp the other side. Okay, making sure I can pull it to get the wrinkles out but not stretching it. Okay, so any wrinkles you see should be taken out when I put the clamps on the side. Tables I got, they're folding tables from Walmart. I find the Walmart ones work better. They're a little bit thinner, so I'm able to use these clamps that I got from Home Depot, and the clamps were 99 cents each. So I've got enough so I can put 4 clamps on each side. And that's plenty to hold the backing for the quilting, or for the basting. On this side, take out those wrinkles, and there the backing's all set. So now I'm going to get the batting. And again, the batting will have a right side and a wrong side. This is a white batting. And it has like a pattern on this side and kind of smooth on this side, so the pattern side is going to be the top side because that's where the needles are going to go. So we'll see which way this is going to go. I think this is going to be a good direction. It's going to cover the backing completely and probably have some excess on one of the sides, and that's fine. You want your batting to be at least as big as your backing. And if your backing is set to 4 inches on each side of the quilt top, then if you cut your batting the same as the backing, then it's going to fit the quilt just fine. Okay, straighten that out a little bit. Okay, now I can fold it over halfway, approximately. Okay, get my spray basting, and again I'm going to spray half of it and smooth down the batting, and then do the other half. I want to get it. Smooth it from the center down, and then each of the sides. Taking all those wrinkles out. Oh, that batting feels so good. And then I'll just fold it over again to where it stops. Take out any small threads that I have, let her loose, and spray the second now. I won't reach all the way across, so I'll just do half here and half over here. Okay, that'll do. This does go much easier if you have a second person, but if not, one person works just as well. I want to smooth down the middle, and then I can lift and smooth the sides. for the top. I don't know which one I like best on this quilt, the top or the backing. They're both really pretty and really nicely done. Okay, I want to center this pretty much. Alright, fold over half of it. And now we're going to spray the batting on this side. Again, remove any loose threads I have there. Okay, the second person helps because sometimes it's a little bit of a long reach. So again, if you're by yourself, the tables work well together. And then I can just smooth it to the edges. There you go, halfway done. Okay, with the other half, spray. Ideally, you wouldn't want a windy day, but sometimes we can't be choosy about that as long as it's not raining. If you do live somewhere where there's some humidity, that can cause some problems, especially with the tape. When you tape the quilt to the table, if there's some humidity or dampness in the air, the tape doesn't want to stick so well. But out here we've got lovely weather today and it's working beautifully. Okay, again, I've had no problems with my quilt sticking or not sticking after they've even sat for a couple of months. But they say if it does stop sticking, that you could simply iron it and that it brings stickiness, maybe with some steam would help. But basically, I'm done. I'm going to take off my clamps, fold up the quilt, and it's ready when I'm ready to quilt it. And that's spray basting. Thanks for watching.